की खबर का बातें से टीवी।
ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Kakenhun Menteri Sorkar Jongga Assam kala Siem ya karai ba kinu ki private hospital Kimla Banbat ya ka Metïap Jongu lani ka Brio Tang Namar ba ki bahiyeng Hasem Kimla ban Siew ya ka Bil Jong ka hospital ka Assam kala Pentrekam ya ka Charter of Patient Rights katkum ka Jingai Jimut Jong ka National Human Rights Commission. Lingba kani ka sorkar kala penmi ya ka standard operating procedure lani ka SOP bat ya ka regulatory guidelines bagi hospital private ki hab banbuat. Ka sorkar kala hukum ya ki hospital ba lada don ki bayab hapo arkenta ki deban IT no ya ka Metïap Shah ki bahiyeng Hasem klem da abla ki Siew nekim Siew ya ka Bil lada slem palat ya ka arkenta ka hospital kan Shah Pynshitom katkum ki kendon jong ka any. La bataru ba lada ka don kum kata ka jingja ki dayban pintep ki pulit ne ki bor Penya district hapo ka saukanta. Lada ki hospital kimle kumta ka sorkar kala batha ya ki bahiyeng Hasem ba ki dayban phone show number 104 Iway North South ban pintep ya kani but on pa ya ki bor badaypet ba ki let syakata ka hospital ban le ya ka badon kam. Kinu ki hospital ki bambut ya kani ka hukum on suspend ya ka license jongki kumbalai banai ne henriu banai u menteri rangba ka Assam u Himanta Biswa Sarma u laong ba amla banbat ya ka Metïap Namar ba ka kata ya ka jingsngau Brio u laong ba ka sorkar ka Siem ya kani garai Namar ba lalab bun ki hospital ki balet tomet ya ki pajba Tang Namar ba kim Siew dep ya ka Bil.
Some cabinet has taken a very important decision. Often we hear the complaint that various nursing homes kept the dead body of a deceased as mortgage for next 3-4 days unless the relative pay the pending dues of the hospitals or nursing home or private hospital. This is against the human dignity. You cannot keep a dead body as hostage. State cabinet has decided that if any nursing home try to do that, their license will be cancelled, suspended for 3 to 6 months, and they will be fined ₹5 lakhs. For repeat offences, the nursing home or private hospital can be, their license can be cancelled for eternity.